Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Straight Outta Content. And in today's video, I just want to show you guys the power of YouTube. So I was in my YouTube today. It is March 12th, 2024. And as you can see on the screen, I came into my YouTube and it was like, congratulations, you reached a new milestone of 5 million views so far in the lifetime of the channel. Well, what I really, as you can see, November 5th, 2019 to March 11, 2024. Again, I didn't really start taking YouTube serious till late 2020, maybe really 2021. Honestly, right around here, see 2021, that's really when I started taking YouTube serious. But I just want to show you guys the power of YouTube. Not only am I reaching a lot of people, there's true money in it. Now, again, this is broken down over time, but this is only at 31,500 subscribers. So I try to tell a lot of people about the power of YouTube. You know, to me, it is the highest paying platform out there. I know there's Facebook. Facebook, I heard, pays pretty well. There's Instagram and TikTok and stuff like that. But to have this amount of money paid out on any other platform, you would need 3, 4, 5 times the amount of subscribers. I'm only at 31,000. So we also have in the family, I have my channel, Carl's Garage, which is also monetized. And then my wife also has 2 monetized channels. And our goal from YouTube, whenever we started, was to have YouTube pay for all of our bills. All of our bills. So whatever it may be, whatever we wanted to go to the movies, Netflix, anything, you know, clothes, anything you can think of that is associated with regular everyday bills. We wanted our channels to do that. And again, we are very close to doing it. We are very close to achieving that goal. I always told everybody I had a 5-year plan. So way back in 2019, I had a 5-year plan. I'm about to be 39 here this month in March. And my plan was to technically retire, you know, quotations, at 40, which means regardless of what I do, my channel's going to pay me. And by channels, I mean the ones that we have in the home that are all monetized, which at this date is only 4. There will be more in the future as we create other products and create other streams of revenue. But if you don't know YouTube, or if you haven't ever seen a video like this, just know that it is very real. This is real, 100%. And you can look at some of my videos. Again, I film everything. So all the way back from when I went live for the Tyron Woodley Jake Paul fight to how to put coolant in your car, I was paid for everything. And this is why I tell everybody, regardless of what you do in life, film it. Film it, film it, film it, because it is your personal experience and you would be very surprised on how many people actually want to watch. And the more you film, the better you will get and the more money you will make because you will produce a better product. So the product that if you were to click this video right here, check this out. And again, if you're watching this, please hit that subscribe button and please check out my videos. But if you look back at these videos, they're not these right here. This live was filmed horrible, but it paid me a lot. Out of that 827,000 people, it paid me a lot, and lives pay a lot. And there's a whole other bunch of other analytics in here. I also have some, this video right here, I make a lot of money off of, not a lot of money, but I make a decent amount of money off of selling this cap to provide people with this cap. The goal for me is to help people with problems. So even, with our main business, Flash Custom Transfers, you guys don't know, we manufacture DTF transfers, and now we also sell DTF printers, strictly only the Mamaki printer and all Mamaki products as well, the UV printers, roll-to-rolls and stuff like that. We also teamed up with a few other companies, Trotec for lasers, AMCAD Cutworks for their finishing equipment, so on and so forth. That's where this video right here, which is my 9th top video in all of the 5 million views. This is my 9th one, and this right here is the viral video that really put our company on the map. We have been doing transfers for a very long time, and this was an idea that we had all the way back in 2021. So again, there's a lot of channels out there. I'm not sure if you guys, are being seen, if you guys are seeing these other channels that are showing, their actual revenue. But I just wanted to just get on here, be very transparent, and just let everybody know that YouTube is very real. And this right here, March 12, 2024, will be a marker for the future. So one day I will do another video when this number is in the six figures, hundreds of thousands or whatever, but the goal is to do this amount that you're looking at on the screen per month from YouTube. And it can be done. If you don't think that it can be done, well, we are on our way to do it here at Straight Outta Content Flash Custom Transfers at Carl's Garage. We are on our way to do it. So you can do it, anybody can do it. Like we're telling everybody, this right here has nothing to do with our business. But due to this channel and this 5 million views, it has allowed our business to grow tremendously. 99% of our sales for our DTF transfers comes directly from YouTube, because we have videos like this and a bunch of other videos that aren't shown in this top 10 list that allow us to get consistent sales, all, six figures and soon to be above as we incorporate selling printers as well. So you guys will, if all the products that you guys reach out to us and buy, 99% of it is from our YouTube channel. So the power of YouTube is extremely important, especially in 2024, and it's only going to get bigger. There's only going to be more ways to monetize what you do for a living every single day, regardless of what it is. It doesn't matter. I tell people that all the time. And there's a lot of analytics and stuff like that go on behind the scenes. And again, I'm learning on the job. And I study a lot of big YouTubers and just to try to apply what they do to our channel in between running a business with Chelly and I on the background. But again, we consider ourselves very successful. If you see other channels that have higher subscriber counts, you can just imagine what their estimated revenue and what they're doing. So those guys out there who got 1 million or even like 500,000 or even like 200,000 or 100,000, depending on how well they produce their content and the viewer retention and stuff like that, that will show you about how much they're making. My biggest thing is to raise the number for the income to not necessarily reflect the amount of subscribers. That's what my whole goal is. So I want to make as much money from my channel and get as many views from my channel, regardless of the amount of subscribers. The subscribers is great, but that doesn't necessarily dictate how much money your channel will make. If people are watching this video, this long video, and all these other videos consistently, regardless of subscribing, you're going to be paid regardless, because you're getting the views and you're getting the money. That's going to be the money part, that'll be a video for another day. But I just really wanted to show the power of YouTube. Definitely check this out, guys. Get a YouTube channel. If you already have one, work to get it monetized. Take it serious, because to me, I call it the 401k for our generation. 39 years old, about to be 39 years old, that we grew up with. You got to get a job to get a 401k. Well, now you have the ability to monetize all your platforms, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and so on and so forth, whatever other platform that you can monetize. Monetize that. Those videos run forever. Those people see those videos forever. A video like this, how to put coolant in your car, is going to run for a very long time. And all these other videos are going to run for a very long time. I'm going to continue to always get residual income from that. And my channel is only going to continue to grow up. And we have 4 monetized channels in the house. So that should tell you that in 4 to 5 years, I can grow the same amount of money that I would get from a 401k without having to physically work 8 hours a day, and still have that. Probably instead of working for a job for 20 years, I can do YouTube, continue to scale for 10 years and put my hands up and just let the videos run and let the income come in, and I can do whatever I want because I'm being paid every 22nd of every month from YouTube, and it's covering all of my bills. Again, this doesn't stop me from taking my platform and monetizing Facebook and all the other platforms that are out there. But monetizing what you do every day is extremely important, and YouTube is a viable source. Thank you, guys. Hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully it inspired you to go monetize your YouTube and go take it serious. If you have any questions, you can email me at straightoutofcontent@gmail.com. Check it out. The link will be in the description below if you want to email me and check out my page. I truly appreciate it. Thank you, guys.